script, this is the exact fix. I'll show you 3 ways to solve it, starting with the one that works for most people. What's causing the error? This error usually shows up for one of 3 reasons. Your executor's injection permissions got reset after an update, a corrupted cache from a previous session, or, if you're on iOS specifically, a sideloading certificate issue. We're going to go through all 3, so stick around even if the first fix doesn't apply to you. Fix 1, Permission Key Reset. First fix, and the one that solves it most often, go into your Delta Executor settings, find the Permissions or Key Management tab, and reset your injection key. Here's exactly where that is. Once that's reset, close the app completely. Don't just background it and relaunch. Try injecting again on your target. Fix 2, Reinstalls Clear Cache. If that didn't work, the next most common fix is a clean reinstall with a full cache clear. This matters because just deleting and re-downloading the app often isn't enough. Leftover cache files carry the same corruption over. After reinstalling, don't skip this. Clear your device's app cache one more time before you open it for the first time. That's the step most people miss. Hap Fix 3, iOS/Android specific workaround. This last one is specific to your device. If you're on iOS, this error is often tied to your sideloading certificate expiring or getting revoked. Here's how to check and re-sign it. If you're on Android, it's usually a permissions toggle that got flipped during a system update. Once you've done the one that matches your device, relaunch and try your injection again. So to recap, try the key reset first. That solves it for most people. If it's still failing, do a full reinstall with cache clear. And if you're still stuck after that, it's almost always the device-specific fix for your iOS or Android version. Aoshrey, if one of these fixed it for you, let me know in the comments which one worked. It helps other people find the right fix faster. And if you want more Delta Executor fixes and faster help, the OBX Discord is linked below.